All right. It's my honor to introduce this multi-talented, astute professional and honorable, you know what, who am I kidding? Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a troublemaker. He's in and out of rehab. He's recently divorced, failed marriage having, comedian and actor, Trevor Gumbi!
A round of applause for Fat Joe on his very last gig ever anyway. Thank you very much, Fat Joe. Now, back to why I'm really here, okay? For weeks up until now, a few minutes ago, the voting has stopped and you guys voted on your favorite TV soapy or telenovela. So, I just want to say, if your favorite show doesn't win, like I didn't win, don't blame Scott because I didn't know he is new and he doesn't know. And the SAFTAs, thank you. Maybe next year there can be only one winner. And there are way many more telenovelas and TV soapies in this country. To prove my point, let's take a look at the shows in the running for this award.
The nominees for Most Popular TV Soap or Telenovela are Sevende Laan, Binnenlanders, Broken Vows, Getroud met Rugby, Gold Diggers Season 2, High Rollers Season 3, Isibaya, Isidingo, Isitembiso, Keeping Score, Rhythm City, Ring of Lies Season 2, Scandal, Scheme Sam, Saint Ooster, The Queen, Uzalo.
There are a lot of nominees, as you can tell. They are still deciding. That's why nobody's giving me an envelope yet. I'm sure it's coming very soon. Oh, hello. This is the auditor, ladies and gentlemen. Can I have the envelope, please? Thank you very much. You can't really trust these colored guys. No, you say, hey, run ESCOM and then... Askis. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner, Uzalo Season 2, Stagecraft Productions.
Wow. First and foremost, we'd like to thank South Africa. Abalandeli bozalo, ababuki bozalo, abantu abakhuluma kuzalo, abantu abakhuluma ngozalo, you know. It's such an honor to be standing here on behalf of Uzalo and actually accepting this. I mean, it's been 4 years and yay, you know, we finally got to this point. Ngibhala ama notes because I wasn't prepared. I'd like to thank the Stained Glass TV management, Ukuku Zuma Ngube, Pepsi Pokane, Mariki van der Walt, Mamitse Tibedi, Lita Mbutuma, our production team, our hard-working cast and crew, and you know, Abalandeli bozalo, these 9 million people, guys, they're really dedicated to us. And siyanibonga emakhaya, siyanibonga nonke nje for this. Thank you.
Still to come, KB, Siv Ngesi and Nomzamo Mbata.